INgezim Gluten is an ELISA based on the R5 monoclonal antibody for the detection of gluten in foodstuffs and environmental samples. Allow the components to reach room temperature. The first step is an adequate sample preparation. Weigh the milled sample, add extraction buffer and incubate. Add ethanol, mix and incubate with agitation. Centrifuge and obtain the supernatant. Dilute the sample and now you can start to run the test. Add 100 microliters of the samples and standard into the plates. Seal the plate and incubate 1 hour at room temperature. Empty the plate and repeat the washing step 3 times. Add 100 microliters of conjugate. Seal the plate and incubate 1 hour at room temperature. Empty the wells and repeat the washing step 3 times. Add 100 microliters of TMB substrate and incubate for 10 minutes. After that, stop the reaction by adding 100 microliters of stop solution. Read the optical density at 450 nanometers and analyze the data to obtain a quantitative result. The assay can be performed manually or using the automatic system. The sample must be extracted in the same way. Load the gluten program. Select the samples and the correspondent dilutions. Add the reagents and the calibration curve in the correct holes, following the program instructions. Place the plate with the necessary wells and check that everything is correct. Press Start button and let the machine perform the assay. When finished, you can see the results in a very friendly report with the calculations already made.